In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a work or school account to Microsoft Teams. If you use Microsoft Teams for more than one organization, adding another account is a simple way to keep everything accessible in one place. This is especially helpful if you need to switch between a personal setup and a work or school environment, or if you collaborate with different organizations throughout the day. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside the Teams app. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options appear properly. Once you're inside Teams, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there. This is where Microsoft Teams places your account and profile settings, so that's the area you'll use to manage additional sign-ins. Go ahead and click your avatar in the top right corner. A menu will open with several account-related options. From this menu, select the option that says Add Another Account. This tells Teams that you want to connect a separate work or school profile without removing the one you may already be using. After you click that option, Microsoft Teams will prompt you to sign in. At this stage, enter the email addresses associated with your work or school account. Then type in the password for that account and continue through the sign-in process. Depending on your organization's settings, you may also be asked to complete additional verification, such as approving a sign-in request or entering a security code. Just follow the prompts that appear on screen. Once the sign-in is accepted, Teams will add the account and make it available from your profile menu. From there, you can switch between accounts as needed, which makes it much easier to access the correct chats, teams, files, and meetings for each organization. A quick tip while doing this: make sure you're signing in with the correct organizational email, since work or school accounts are usually managed differently from personal Microsoft accounts. If the sign-in doesn't work right away, double-check the email and password you entered and confirm that the account has permission to use Microsoft Teams. And that's it. By opening Microsoft Teams, clicking your avatar, choosing to add another account, and signing in with your work or school credentials, you can quickly connect an additional account and manage your organization access more efficiently.